Sai Ram, I offer my loving pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba and Sadguru Shri Siddheshwar Baba. Today in this video, you will get the basic knowledge of Kundalini Shakti. So firstly, we will discuss what is Kundalini Shakti. Kundalini Shakti is a form of goddess. So you can also call it Durga, Parvati, Mahamaya or Mother Nature. It is a divine feminine energy which is located in every person at the base of the spine in the form of a coiled sleeping snake. Now the question is how Kundalini Shakti gets awakened? So the Kundalini Shakti can be awakened through various yogic and spiritual practices such as mantras, asanas, pranayam, meditation or by the grace of a Sadguru. On awakening, Kundalini Shakti can be either constructive or destructive also. Out of the above told practices, if Kundalini awakes by the grace of a Sadguru, then only it is constructive. Otherwise, it is always destructive. It is because this immense energy needs to be controlled and put in right direction, which only Lord Shiv or a Sadguru like our Gurudev can do. Uncontrolled Kundalini Shakti can be very destructive, as in case of Gurudev, when he was of 28 years, his Kundalini got activated itself because of his yogic practices like pranayam and asanas, due to which he suffered from intense mental depression. At the age of 40, with the grace of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba, Gurudev's Kundalini once again get activated. But this time, Satya Sai Baba acted as the Guru of Gurudev and controlled his Kundalini Shakti to show it the right direction, due to which Gurudev attained the absolute realization. After this, Gurudev blessed more than 12,000 people spread across 65 countries by arousing their Kundalini Shakti, and this is still continuing even after his Samadhi. Now we will discuss the purpose of awakening of Kundalini Shakti. According to Yogic Shastra, there are 3 channels or nadis in our spine: Pingala on the right, Ida on the left, and Sushumna in the center. On the Sushumna nadi, 7 chakras are present. The first chakra is Mooladhara, second is Swadhisthana, third is Manipur, fourth is Anahat, fifth is Vishuddhi, sixth is Agya, and seventh is Sahasra Chakra. The purpose of Kundalini Shakti is to unite the soul with Lord Shiv. After awakening under the guidance and control of a realized Sadguru, Kundalini Shakti progresses slowly like a snake, piercing each chakra towards the Agya Chakra where Lord Shiv is sitting. By the grace of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba, Sadguru Shri Siddheshwar Baba's third eye opened even before the awakening of his Kundalini Shakti. So, Gurudev not only experienced but also witnessed the whole journey of his Kundalini Shakti right from the first chakra to the 7th chakra. He had written in detail this whole journey from the dust to the divinity in his book Third Eye and Kundalini. We will discuss more details of Kundalini Shakti and chakras in next video. Jai Sai Ram.